Welcome. If you're trying to send a photo on Telegram and want the quickest, easiest way to do it, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can share your pictures in seconds. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, head straight to the chat where you want to send the photo. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel if you have permission to post there. Just tap on the chat to open it. Now that you're inside the conversation, look at the bottom of your screen where the message bar is. You'll see a small attachment or camera icon nearby. Tap on it, and this is where you get two simple options. You can either take a new photo right away or choose one from your gallery. If you want to capture something in the moment, tap the camera option. Your camera will open instantly, and you can snap a photo on the spot. Once you're happy with it, you can preview it before sending. If you'd rather send an existing photo, tap on the gallery option instead. This will open your phone's photo library, where you can scroll through your images. Find the picture you want to send and tap on it to select it. You can even select multiple photos if needed. After choosing your photo, you'll see a preview screen. Here, you can make quick edits, add a caption, or just leave it as it is. When you're ready, look for the Send button, usually shaped like a paper plane. Tap the Send button and that's it. Your photo will instantly appear in the chat, ready for the other person or group to see. And that's how simple it is to send a photo on Telegram. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature.